An app store is a type of digital distribution platform for computer software called applications. Often in a mobile context, apps provide a specific set of functions which, by definition, do not include the running of the computer itself. Complex software designed for use on a personal computer, for example, may have a related app designed for use on a mobile device. Today, apps are normally designed to run on a specific operating system, such as the contemporary iOS, Mac OS, Windows or Android. But in the past, mobile carriers had their own portals for apps and related media content. An app store is any digital storefront intended to allow search and review of software titles or other media offered for sale electronically. Critically, the application storefront itself provides a secure, uniform experience that automates the electronic purchase, decryption and installation of software applications or other digital media. App stores typically organize the apps they offer based on the function provided by the app, the device for which the app was designed, and the operating system on which the app will run. App stores typically take the form of an online store, where users can browse through these different app categories, view information about each app, and acquire the app. The selected app is offered as an automatic download, after which the app installs. Some app stores may also include a system to automatically remove an installed program from devices, under certain conditions, with the goal of protecting the user against malicious software. App stores typically provide a way for users to give reviews and ratings. Those reviews are useful for other users, for developers and for app store owners. Users can select the best apps based on ratings. Developers get feedback on what features are praised or disliked, and finally, app store owners can detect bad apps and malicious developers by automatically analyzing the reviews with data mining techniques. Many app stores are curated by their owners, requiring that submissions of prospective apps go through an approval process. These apps are inspected for compliance with certain guidelines, including the requirement that a commission be collected on each sale of a paid app. Some app stores provides feedback to developers, number of installations, issues in the field. Researchers have proposed new features for app stores. For instance, the App Store can deliver a unique diversified version of the app for sake of security. The App Store can also orchestrate monitoring and bug fixing to detect and repair crashes in applications. The Electronic App Wrapper was the first commercial electronic software distribution catalog to collectively manage encryption and provide digital rights for apps and digital media. While a senior editor at Next World magazine, Simpson Garfinkel, rated the Electronic App Wrapper 4 3/4 cubes. In his formal review, Paget's Electronic App Wrapper was named a finalist in the highly competitive Envision Multimedia 93 Awards in January 1993 and won the Best of Breed Award for Content and Information at Next World Expo in May 1993. Prior to the Electronic App Wrapper, which first shipped in 1992, people were used to software distributed via floppy disks or CD-ROMs. One could even download software using a web browser or command line tools. Many Linux distributions and other Unix-like systems provide a tool known as a package manager, which allows a user to automatically manage the software installed on their systems. PKGSRC. Some package managers have graphical front-end software which can be used to browse available packages and perform operations, such as Synaptic. In 1996, the SUSE Linux distribution has YARST as front-end for its own app repository. Mandriva Linux has URPMI with YI front-end called RPM Drake. Fedora and Red Hat Enterprise Linux has Yum in 2003 as a successor of Yup. In 1997, BDepot, a third-party app store and package manager for BOS, was launched, which operated until 2001. It was eventually acquired by B Inc. BDepot allowed for both commercial and free apps as well as handling updates in 1998. Information Technologies India Ltd launched Palmex, a web-based app store exclusively for mobile and handheld devices. Palmex sold apps for the three major PDA platforms of the time: the Palm OS-based Palm Pilots, Windows CE-based devices, and Psion Epoch handhelds. In 1999, NTT Docomo launched iMode, the first integrated online app store for mobile phones, gaining nationwide popularity in Japanese mobile phone culture. Docomo used a revenue-sharing business model, allowing content creators and app providers to keep up to 91% of revenue. Other operators outside Japan also made their own portals after this, such as Vodafone Live, in 2002. At this time, mobile phone manufacturer Nokia also introduced carrier-free downloadable content with Club Nokia. In December 2001, Sprint PCS launched the Ringers and More wireless download service for TH.